What's up, everyone? Welcome to Stay Home, Eat Great. I'm Steve Lopez. Thanks for joining me again. It's been a couple of weeks. I was on a small vacation and then my kids went back to school, but I'm back with more content. So thanks for joining me again. Today I have a zero pasta bake for you. Join me now for this program already in progress. Hello and welcome to Stay Home, Eat Great. Yay! Today I'm joined by my children, my two younger children, Marisa and Jacob. Today on Stay Home, Eat Great, as you know, children love pizza, they love burgers, they love hot dogs. Well, today we're going to try a low-cal, a low-carb pasta bake. So we're going to be using Tatuma Squash for our pasta bake. Stay tuned, and we're about to show you the ingredients. Go ahead.
Our ingredients are Tatuma Squash and Italian seasoning, pizza sauce, pepperoni, and mozzarella cheese.
We're gonna cut the Tatuma Squash. This squash resembles a pumpkin, and the seeds look just like pumpkin seeds. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this way. In order to make this pasta bake, we want to make sure that all of this gets cooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by putting some olive oil. I'm putting extra virgin olive oil all over, and then I'm going to put some salt and pepper, and we're going to give it a toss. Some pepper here, kosher salt, toss so that everything gets covered. Careful, this isn't very big, so we don't want to make a big mess. I just want to try to cover as much of this as I can with olive oil and salt and pepper. Alright, so we're going to put this in the oven at 350 to cook it halfway through. Then I'll give it a toss, and then we'll put the toppings. I want to put this in here for 15 minutes, let it get soft, and then we'll put our toppings and we'll put it back in. Alright, so my pasta bake, which is Tatuma Squash, I put it in for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to give it a toss so that it'll get a little softer. And I'm going to give it another 15 minutes, and then we're going to bring it out and put all of our toppings in there. Alright, so we just want this to cook down and get soft. We want our zucchini to be soft, and I'm checking with a fork. We're about halfway there, so I'm putting it back in for another 15 to 20 minutes. Back in. Alright, so we have been cooking our Tatuma Squash for half an hour now. We did 15 minutes at 350. I gave it a toss and we put it back for another 15. My oven is still at 350, and I can hear that they're cooking. They're already starting to get soft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my sauce on top. I'm going to cover this whole thing here with sauce. There we go. So I'm using the rest of this sauce on here because I want it to cook through, and I want all the flavor throughout my squash. Again, I used Tatuma Squash, which is a small squash. Alright, so we have sauce over everything. Next, we're going to put mozzarella cheese. And now we're going to come back with our pepperonis that we've cut in half. And I want to put this all over the top. Again, this is a low carb, low-cal dish. For those of you that are trying to stay away from pasta, for those of you trying to stay away from breads, as you saw, I did the eggplant pizza. So here's my pasta bake, and I'm going to put it back in the oven. We're going to let this go for another 20 minutes. We'll see you back in 20 minutes. Alright, so our pasta bake has been going for 25 minutes. And this is what we have here. This is our pasta bake. So I'm going to get a spoon and we are going to try this out. Alright, you can see our sauce here is on the bottom. Now remember that the zucchini is going to let go of quite a bit of water as well. But we're going to give this a try here. Oh, nice and cheesy. What we have here, this is our pasta bake. We have our pizza sauce. We have mozzarella cheese, pepperoni. And I'm just going to come over the top with some Parmesan. We're going to try this out. Alright, so there we go. Very nice flavor. Kind of buttery because of the extra virgin olive oil. I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a low carb solution to pasta, I just want to encourage you around this time as we're hunkered down, some people with COVID-19 trying to stay away from COVID-19. If you want to up your fiber, if you want to up your veg intake, get some more minerals in your body, I'm telling you, this Tatuma Squash is really going to fit the bill. I'm Steve Lopez with Stay Home, Eat Great. I want to encourage you to subscribe, to share, hit the like button. Why don't you help me out by helping my channel grow? As my channel grows, more and more people are able to benefit from these recipes. So thank you so much those that have already subscribed. Let's stay home and eat great. I'm Steve Lopez. God bless you and be safe.